Good morning. Marva, did you have a good night's sleep? Good morning. Good morning. And I'm super excited today because the countdown has started. Today is our last 10th day in Florida, and we are super excited because now it's like just the countdown goes so fast and you don't even realize. So that's why I have some work written down for me that I need to complete it today, and it's like just making ourselves feel excited by like it's a final countdown and all this stuff. So yeah, just 10 more days. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm not counting the day 13th because that day we'll be going from here, even though we'll be not going to our house. We'll be going to Bhaiya and Ashley's place. But yeah, because we're getting our keys on 15th. So we'll be celebrating Diwali with them, and then 15th we'll get our keys. Like 14th evening we'll get our keys. So we'll go check our house out. So excited. So right now I'm gonna make my tea, and before that I'm gonna go give this baby his breakfast and take him for a walk. Mayank is working, and yeah, that is how the day is going on. We have a lot of paper cups, foam cups here because we packed all of our mugs. And then I know you can still see some stuff behind us, but now that the countdown has started, things are gonna vanish from here. Everything, we're gonna pack it up. Making lunch. So I'm making power beans, basically like a bowl style with roasted potatoes and some rice. And Mike is here working. Are you excited, babe?
Good morning! Oh my god, the countdown has begun, and today is like day 10 of our countdown process.
Yeah.
So you will see how our 10 days are gonna go until 12.
Last 10 days in Florida.
Oh yeah. Living in Florida.
Yeah, living in Florida.
Yeah. Sure.
Yep.
But it's a new journey. It's gonna start very soon, and we are happy that we will be actually reaching there
during
Diwali.
Yeah.
So we'll get into our house, look at our house on Diwali, and we are excited to be living in a house, not an apartment. So you guys have to stay tuned to see the house too.
Oh, yeah.
Because I know we haven't shared the house yet.
We'll do an empty house tour first, and then because we're gonna take our own time to decorate the house, so once it's all decorated, we'll do the full thing. But empty house tour will be very soon.
Oh boy, there's so much gonna happen.
Yeah. So I'm making lunch, and I'm gonna make it in my Instant Pot. So while it cooks in the Instant Pot and in the oven, I'll just pack some stuff. Little bit. There's not much stuff left outside, but just like here and there, the bathroom stuff and some spices that we are not using it right now. I'm gonna pack all those. Yeah. So many dustbins and packing stuff a little bit. While I was packing, I was also cooking simai. Simai is called, right, baby? Simai ki kheer. So basically we had a little bit of milk, and we were craving for something sweet and something Indian sweet, and this is what we had. Vermicelli over here. Where is it? Vermicelli over here. So we had milk, all the ingredients, and then it's also super quick. That's why we made this semi-ki kheer, and it came out to be so good. I don't know how you guys like it. Do you like it this thick or do you like it runny? We like it both ways, but every time we eat, if it's too thick, we just add a little bit of cold milk and then we eat it that way. So this is made. I'm gonna keep it in the fridge. Perfect. I added cashews, raisins and almonds, and cardamom, milk and kheer, milk and vermicelli. That's it. I'm gonna keep it in the fridge, let it cool, so it's ready for after dinner. It's so good. Also, I washed all these stuff, and yeah. Mayank is way too excited because he loves playing badminton, and then there is a badminton court, indoor badminton court in North Carolina.
Not just badminton court. There are so many Asians there. Basically, Americans don't play badminton that much, and there are so many Asians there that they have this whole arena with like 15 badminton courts, and you can get the membership of that, and you can go and play. And I think she can play with me, and
I'm not very good at it though.
Nitish plays.
Yeah.
So I'm looking forward to make some friends and start playing badminton again. I mean, that's the only sport that I can wake up at 6 in the morning if somebody asks me to.
My brother has literally made a not a badminton court, but he put the badminton net and he plays the badminton in his backyard. So I'm so excited to play over there, but I can imagine his excitement because he's gonna get a professional court.
Mal, what are you excited about? What are you excited about?
Playing in the...
He comes and sits here every time I come out of office. He thinks daddy is gonna give him a treat. Is that right? I think he is right. Here, a little bit. Maybe we should have a little bit of that सेवई की खीर.
And just put it in the fridge.
नहीं तो फिर रखा नंदा होगी.
डस्टबिन वाला कर दिया वो धो के सारे.
देखे मैंने अंदर.
अच्छा.
बाथरूम में.
बाबी.
कुछ और खा लो अभी ऐसी.
बाबी. मैंने चीज.
खा लो तुम चीज बना लो. रात में मैं अपनी ये बनाऊंगा. 2 रोटी और सब्जी बनाऊंगा.
सब्जी तो है राजमा.
वो तो बहुत कम है.
मैं तो शेक सोच रही थी. नहीं मतलब कि मैं कुछ तो खाऊं. मैं क्या
तुम क्या खाओगी?
वही तो पता नहीं ना फिर अभी.
तुम तो राजमा सब्जी खाओगी नहीं.
राजमा नहीं खाना मुझे.
तो तुम बताओ क्या खाओगी?
So for lunch today, the beans that I showed you, they were not rajma. They were Puerto Rican beans. The way I made it with sofrito and different spices, they came out to be so good.
Yeah.
And with rice, jeera rice and roasted potatoes. It was very good. Or should I eat dinner? अभी क्या खाऊं यार? Shrimp curry खा सकती हूँ मैं बना.
ओ तुम shrimp curry बना लो. राइस के साथ खाओगी?
All right, mac and cheese it is. Mac and cheese.
Alien will be happy.
Super excited.
देखो देखो दांत फाड़ रही है वहाँ पे. वॉइसलेस तो कैसे देखने में तो और फनी लगोगी.
आवाज नहीं आएगी. तुम बोलते हो कैसे हंसती है.
ले सब जला दियो. आज रसोई में सब जल रहा है. अरे खाना नहीं बनाना भूल गए. नहीं तो काला कर दिया. क्या बना?
टेस्टी खाना बनाना भूल गए.
अरे टेस्टी तो आज मैं अच्छी बनाई तो मैंने कम बनाई यार. बट
यार खत्म होने की चक्कर बना रही थी. किसे खत्म हो जाएगा.
सही करा तुमने अपने हिसाब से. बट हम तुम्हारा हिसाब बदल दो ना. अपना उधेड़ के हिसाब.
And that's it. My dinner is ready.
So is mine. So this is our dinner for the day. I'm just having. Yeah, she's eating eggs and bread, and I'm eating the leftover beans, sofrito beans with the leftover dough. So that's gonna be our dinner, and after this we're gonna eat sewan ki kheer. So that's exciting, and I guess that is gonna be it for today, and we're gonna see you on day 9 tomorrow in our next vlog. Until then, she forgot counting. But until then, bye!